Okay.
Okay, today we'll be installing a cold trap into two AT50 ovens. First, we'll take our vacuum line to the top of our pump, secure it with a KF25, ensuring that we have the seal. Tighten your clamp down. Next, we'll take the end of the bellow to out on the cold trap, ensuring your seal is there. Secure it with your KF25. Tighten your clamp. Next, we will be installing a T on the in port of your cold trap with a KF25. Secure your clamp. Then we will be moving to the back of the oven. We have another 2-meter bellow. Attach this with your seal and your KF25 to your vacuum connection. Tighten your clamp. We'll take the other end of the bellow and secure it to your cold trap using your seal and KF25 connector. Tighten your clamp. Now we'll go back to the back of the oven. We have another 2-meter bellow. We'll connect that to the vacuum connection on the back of your lower oven, inserting your seal with your KF25. Tighten your KF25. Now the other end of your bellow is going to connect to your final connection to your cold trap with a KF25 and seal. Tighten your KF25. At this point, we're ready to pull vacuum. Close your valves. start your pump. Open your vacuum valves. You'll notice we're starting to pull vacuum.